Right, we just try one more time. Just Mega Max X and
Mega Max X
remote.
Along with the ADAS boards, we have the Mega Max X and the Mega Max remote. Did I do it again wrong again? Okay, max remote, max remote, max remote, max remote. We got involved in ADAS because we have a close friend who worked in a body shop and they had that need. So we did an awful lot with them, and then we branched out into other body shops over a few years, and these come in and out all the time.
And you're saying that you quickly sort of recouped the investment of this equipment.
The original investment was huge. It was more expensive back then, but actually very few people were doing it. So we actually recouped the value very, very quickly. I think it might have even been 9 months. We've had to invest numerous times since with different equipment and more boards and various things. So it's an ongoing journey. When we first put the equipment in, we didn't see customers come through the door with a problem because the vehicles, of course, they were brand new. Now, jump forward all these years, we do see customers coming in with radar problems, with camera problems. If you have an incident where you lose your wing mirror on a vehicle with a 360, you've got an ADAS problem and we can sort it out.
One of the big concerns was the fact that the garages haven't got enough space to store this equipment, but actually it packs down quite neatly.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of them. That is a big thing, is trying to find somewhere to fit them, but there's no two ways around it. There's just, because of what they are, there's just big things to store, but luckily they are all flat, so.
Tell us a little bit about the diagnostic tools that you have over there. You say you pick them up every now and again.
Yeah, so they do come in handy for service tasks, stuff like that. There's a lot of information on there. A lot of it's quite, like dealer level stuff, wiring diagrams, specifications and stuff. It's nice and easy to use. All around, it's good diagnostic equipment.
Any advice for garages on how to best educate their customers on why they need calibration?
I think what they're doing here at Carmaster is a great example. So all the staff, even the front of house staff, have had training on ADAS so that they understand the systems, they understand how important it is to calibrate it, and they can explain and pass that message on to the customers.
Is there any sort of other key messages that you want to get across to garages in this video?
I think the message is that ADAS has been around for a while, but every vehicle that's going out onto the roads today from you has more and more ADAS systems fitted to it. So the opportunity is just growing sort of month on month, year by year.